So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, it is our honor to introduce to you Manila's finest hunk, Year 10, 2023 Grand Winner, Mr. Dave Franco!
Finest Hunk 2023 has been one of the most transformative and unforgettable experiences of my life. This journey wasn't just about achieving a crown or a title. It was about rediscovering myself, regaining my confidence, and proving that dreams can come true with hard work, resilience, and the support of an incredible community. There was a time when I doubted my abilities and questioned my potential. But this journey has shown me that with determination and faith, we can overcome even the toughest obstacles. I stand here not only as a title holder, but as someone who has risen above self-doubt and embraced growth. For this, I owe a debt of gratitude to the amazing people who stood by me every step of the way. To Sir Carlo Martin and Sir Jonathan Alegre, thank you for your guidance, mentorship, and unwavering belief in me. You both saw something in me even when I struggled to see it myself. Your encouragement inspired me to push beyond my limits and believe that I could achieve greatness. To my incredible manager, Michael Espanto, I can't thank you enough for your tireless efforts, patience, and wisdom. You've been more than a manager. You've been a mentor and a source of strength. Your confidence in me fueled my drive to be better not only on stage, but in every aspect of my life. To Chloe, thank you for your support throughout my journey. Your presence and encouragement gave me the strength to keep going, especially during moments of doubt. The role you played in this chapter of my life is something I will always be grateful for, and your belief in me made a world of difference. To the entire Talents Manila team, thank you for being my second family. Your hard work behind the scenes, your dedication to nurturing talents, and your encouragement have been the foundation of my success. This achievement is not just mine, it belongs to all of us. Finally, to everyone who supported me, friends, family, fans, and well-wishers, your love and encouragement mean more to me than words can express. You reminded me that I am never alone in this journey, and that there is a community of people who believes in me. As I reflect on this incredible chapter, I feel nothing but gratitude and pride. This title is more than just a recognition of physical attributes. It's a testament to resilience, growth, and the power of believing in oneself. As my reign comes to an end, I carry with me the lessons, memories, and relationships that made this journey so special. Thank you for allowing me to represent what it means to be Manila's finest hunk 2023. I am humbled, honored, and forever grateful. With all my heart, Dave Franco, Manila's finest hunk 2023 Grand Winner.
What a message from the man himself. Ladies and gentlemen, your Manila's finest hunk 2023 Grand Winner,
Mr. Dave Franco. Hi, nice to see you. It's been a year.
How are you, brother?
Doing good.
Alright, I think Elle has some questions for you.
Yeah. Wow. Thanks for putting me on the spot, but anyway, nice to see you, Dave. And so now that you were about to pass that crown, what is your plan? I mean, what are your plans? Are you planning to join national pageants? This is actually the same questions I asked these two gentlemen over here.
Actually, I already joined. Unfortunately, I wasn't blessed with a crown, but it inspired me to persevere and work harder. Because I know that once I set that in mind, once I put it in my heart and in my mind, I make it into a goal, I will achieve it some way, somehow.
Well, it's really a good, lesson for you, even though you didn't win. I don't know what that pageant is, but for sure, there's a bigger, opportunities in store for you. 3 times. Do you have any question for him?
My question would probably be, you've been wearing the crown for a year now. You mentioned that a lot of things have changed in your life. Siguro ang tanong ko na lang is that, ano yung pinaka nagbago from the moment that you won the crown? Like, you know that I am Manila's finest song. Ano yung pinaka naramdaman mong feeling or moment na sabi mo, oh shit, I'm a winner and I'm going to be reaching much more?
The moment that I realized that, because this pageant actually, it brought back my confidence to myself, because even though I'm pleasing to the eye, I think I am so, I have a very low self-esteem. When I won, I felt good and I tried to join in castings, specifically bench. I made it there, so I'm really proud of
Congratulations, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. So in that moment that you won, it really gave you confidence. Yun yung turning point mo. Thank you so much for that one, Dave. So to all the people here, I think not only winning the crown, but being here and being on top 7, that means so much to them already. So I think a last message to all the fans out here, because you'll be passing the crown to, of course, another hunk here at your back. And of course, ano yung last message mo to all of us who's been your fan, who's been your supporter through your year and through your journey to being Manila's finest. And congratulations for being a bench model as well.
Well, my final message would be is, I would like to thank each and everyone who supported me all throughout my journey here in Manila's finest song, and as well as outside of this pageant. I mentioned in my farewell walk that every time I feel alone, that when I have doubts, I always remember that I have you guys with me. So I'm never alone. I always harness your support and make it into something that will make me stronger. So please do the same for the next upcoming hunk, who will be the Manila's finest song and the other titles. I know that they have their own goals as well, and your support will mean so much to us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Dave Franco, well said. Well said. And of course, God bless. More blessings to you. I do believe this is you're just scratching the surface of what you can do. And of course, you've got a very good handler as well. So I'm sure he's going to push you into even greater heights talaga. So maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Your number one, I always tell this, your number one supporter will be yourself. At the end of the day, you have to pat yourself on the back na, I did good. At least, kailangan mo talaga yan. And guys, good luck and God bless. Alright!
Thank you so much, Dave.
Alright, Dave, kindly stay put because of course we would like to call in as well. Nakakatuwa, dami nila. I think this is the first time that a lot of winners, past winners are here. I'd like to call in your other co-winner as well. Of course, the Manila's Finest of 2020 Sexy Body of the Year, Mr. Romnick Lacuban, ladies and gentlemen. He's here with us here tonight as well.
We would also like to call in Manila's Finest Song 2023 Cover Boy of the Year, Mr. John Match, here on stage, of course, to join us in the awarding of winners, but that's going to be later. For the meantime, let's have a little, chit-chat.
Chit-chat,
with these guys.
Alright. Nakakatawa. Ladies and gentlemen, your last year's winners, palakpakan naman natin. What a year has been, no? Pero na-maintain nila yung physique nila and everything.
Correct.
Sabi ko, naalala ko last year, sabi ko, papakapayat ako. New Year's resolution ko.
Really? What happened?
Something happened along the way.
Ang tanda ng kanta.
Tanda lang yun naman tayo. Bigyan na. Alright, I think we have to ask first Romnick since this is the first song that we called in. Romnick, kumusta ka?
So far, okay naman po.
Alright, so you've watched all the hunks and you've been here as well last year. Gusto ko lang talaga, how does it feel? Nakasama mo ulit yung mga competitors from last year. This is the first time na nakita-kita kayo ulit. Hindi naman po. Yes! Alright. So, does it bring back memories na shit, parang lalaban ulit kami, ganun ba? Medyo nag-flashback mo yung moment.
Sobrang saya, sobrang saya.
Sobrang saya talaga. Alright. Siguro, i-adjust na lang ako dito. Sobrang saya, pero sa loob-loob niya, ay, nabuti, tinanong ako. Bira. Alright, Romnick, siguro, I guess, we've supported you as well. Last year's fight was really, really tough as well as this year. Any parting message na lang to all your supporters, to all your fans out here. And of course, last tips to all the hunks, kasi for sure, one of them would be the sexy body of the year as well.
Ayan, sa mga followers pa, marami tayong followers dito. Thank you sa pag-support sa amin. Ayan, sa magiging next sexy body, ayan. Good luck sa next na susunod na sasalihan ng body.
Maraming salamat, Romnick. And of course, probably like to ask a question to our cover boy of the year, last year.
For me, like, to those who win kahit anong title, parang continue mo lang yung goals nyo, keep sexy, keep being sexy, tsaka ma-inspire yung mga mga gusto din mag-title, diba? So, hindi lang para sa inyo, para sa mga iba. Yan lang. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you so much.
And
Romnick, Dave, and of course, John. Maraming salamat. Alright.